Arrive in style with this 2008 Toyota Sequoia Platinum. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: traction control, stability control, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, brake assist and luggage rack. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.